Step 1 to CMMC Level 1 certification, Mastering Access Control Basics. Welcome to our CMMC Level 1 series. Today, we'll explore access control basics, critical steps to secure your systems and limit access to authorized users only. Access control ensures that only the right users have access to specific data and systems. CMMC Level 1 focuses on limiting access to authorized users, devices, and processes. To implement access control, you'll need tools like identity and access management software, such as Okta or Azure Active Directory. These tools help assign roles and permissions. Step-by-step implementation. Define roles for each user in your organization. For instance, administrators have broader access than general staff. Set up multi-factor authentication, MFA, to secure login processes. Regularly audit user access logs to identify unusual activities. By implementing access control, you take the first step toward a more secure and compliant system. Stay tuned for our next video on authentication and identity management. Visit www.tandtlc.com for more details.